Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And do you notice anything new? I don't have my glasses on, and we started with a fresh painted on brows. I got my eyebrows done yesterday and I feel like a new woman. Thank you, brow lady. Anyways, today we're gonna do a back to school makeup tutorial. So is there anything else I wanted to? Nope. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Oh, I didn't prime when I did my brows. It's okay. Anyway, okay, so today we're gonna start off with priming the face, and with the same old products, with the Murad oil. I can never get that right. With the Murad Oil Control Mattifier with SPF 15. I'm just gonna put this in my T-zone. And then we're gonna go in with the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Coconut Water Primer Stick. I just love how hydrating this feels. Oh my god, it feels so good. So hydrating, so everything. This is life. And then we're gonna go in with the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer. We're just gonna do not even a full drop, just a little bit, because I am oily, but I just love the way this brings shine to my face. Like, it, not shine, but like a glow within, you know? I love it. This makeup tutorial is gonna be more for the people that like to go to school, you know, extra, like me. When I was going back to school, child, I would pick out my outfit like maybe 2-3 weeks before school started, and I would try it on like once a week to make sure that it's what I wanted. And oh my gosh, going back to school was like, you know, a big thing. Next, we're gonna go in with our Maybelline Super Stay foundation. Yeah, the Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. So this is the color 334 Warm Sun. And I'm just gonna pump it, take a pump on the Real Techniques foundation brush. Is the pointed foundation brush. I'm gonna just swipe that on my face. Fun fact about me, I hate putting makeup on my fingers to apply to my face. Like, I cannot stand it at all. So whenever I have to use a pump, a foundation that has a pump, I always use these little brushes because I don't like the way foundation feels on my hands. I can't stand it. I always tell people to bring your foundation to your ears, so it doesn't look like you have a mask. Like, just blend it into your ears and into your neck so you can't see where you stop blending and applying the foundation. All the products that I'm using today are drugstore products. Like on my eyebrows, I use the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, which is this guy right here, and this is in the color Dark Brunette. And then just to clean up my brows, I use, like I always do, my LA Girl Pro Concealers. To conceal my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Flower Beauty concealer in deep and medium deep. I'm gonna go in with medium deep first. Today we're gonna do like a pretty much like an extra look, but like it's like extrally easy. So it's very simple, very easy, but it looks so nice and extra, you know? Because we all want to be like extra the first week of school. It's just the first week. We're back from the summer, and like we want to see our friends and we want to show off and blah blah blah. I'm doing more than one back to school makeup look, because this is for the people that are really extra and really comfortable with doing makeup. So it wouldn't be too hard to do this, but then I'm gonna come back and do another look where it's simply easier than this, and the makeup isn't as heavy, because this foundation isn't heavy but it is full coverage. So someone who wants to, like me, I don't wear full coverage makeup. Like when I do my simple makeup looks, I like to use more the you know, my skin but better type of foundations. So yeah. And whatever is left over on the beauty blender, I always like to put it on my chin. I never put concealer on my actual chin or my nose or on my forehead, because I feel like it's just too much for me. But if you do, go ahead and do so. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer with the ColourPop, what is this? The ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Banana. I love this setting powder so much, you guys have no idea. It's just like the perfect setting powder for me. Before I always like set my concealer, I like to go in again and just make sure that you know, blend out all those creases, and then go in with the Banana setting powder. I cannot get over my eyebrows, you guys. Like, my gosh, I've never seen them this perfect. Like, they're perfect. Like, you guys have no idea. They're amazing. And whatever's left over on the sponge, I go on my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And because we're being extra, you know, we're gonna go ahead and cream contour, and I'm using this is the Wet n Wild contour stick, and this is in the shade, where's Walnuts, and it's this little guy right here, and it's really good and really nice. I feel like this is more beginner friendly, to be honest. You guys are probably thinking like, this girl lives in plaid shirts. I truly do. Like, you have no idea my obsession with plaid shirts. I love them. They're the best thing ever. They're so comfortable. You could dress them up or dress them down. I love me some plaid shirts. You guys have no idea. Look at me, I'm changing up the products on y'all. Then I go in with a brush, and this is from BH Cosmetics, and this is the #1 brush. This brush is so soft and amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it, and it's so cute. Look at the marble pink. Yes, BH, I see you. I like to squeeze the brush, whatever's left over on the brush, and apply it to my nose. Alrighty, so next we're gonna set our cream contour with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It, and it's this beautiful, let me open it. And oh, this is in the color Deep Profundo. And it's this beautiful, do you guys see that? And it's kind of intimidating because it does have like gold specks in it, like gold glitter, but girl, this bronzer for me is up there with my Becca bronzer. I love it. I'm taking my Wet n Wild stippling brush, and I'm just gonna clean up these edges. Clean up these harsh lines. And what I like to do with the same brush that I applied my powder bronzer, I clean it on a towel and blend it out. Don't be scared if you feel like it's too harsh. You can always go in with a stippling brush, or the same brush you applied your powder bronzer with, clean it off, and then just go crazy, girl, and blend it out. Next, we're gonna blush. Next, we're gonna add blush. And I'm using the NYX Professional Sweet Cheek. Wait. Oh, okay. It's in 2 different languages. Excuse me. NYX Professional Makeup Sweet Cheeks. And oh my gosh, you guys. And I'm gonna go in with the 2 peachy shades. So this one right here, And then this one right here. I like to smile. And very lightly. I go very light-handed with my blushes. Oh, look at how pretty. This blush with this bronzer is giving me life. This is just so cute. It's like, yes, girl, you came from the beach, honey. You got a tan. Yes, I did. Thank you. And then I also like to go in with this more, it's not glittery. Let me just swatch it because I'm really bad explaining stuff. But it basically looks like this. It kind of looks like a highlighter. I guess you could use it as a highlighter, but it really isn't. But what I like to do is just like to dab my brush in it very lightly and go over my cheeks. We are going to highlight using the Sophie X Makeup Revolution highlighting palette. So I'm gonna go in with this one and this one. Do they have names? No. What is the cute? Oh my god. And the one in the middle on our nose. Face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. We're gonna shake this up. We're gonna set the face. First, we're gonna go in with ColourPop Supernova Eyeshadow Dragon, and we're gonna put it right in the center of our eyes. And then we're gonna go in with this is the Walk of Fame. Look how pretty this one is. I'm gonna put it right on top of Dragon. We're gonna go in with this shade, and this is New Digs right here. Put that just in and a little bit above the crease. We're gonna go in with this brown shade right here, and it's called Floaties. I'm gonna take the same bamboo brush and just bring it up a little bit. There's no product on the brush, but I didn't want to bring it up. We're gonna go back in with the eyeshadow pigments. Corner, like right here. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of the from the Sophie X palette, if I can open it. And I'm gonna take this shade right here. We're gonna be looking cute on first day of school. Yeah, na, 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 na. We're gonna be looking cute. Oh, yeah. We are going to curl these lashes. So now that we're done curling our lashes, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. And why is this dirty? Now we're gonna go in with the Worth the Hype from NYX mascara. If I could open the thing. You could be done and not add a lip product to your lips. You could just add lip gloss. I'm actually wearing, where is it? I am wearing the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. And it's this guy right here, and it's so nice and hydrating, and you know, it brings a nice like glossy lip. But if you do want to add some color to the lips, I'm gonna go in with the NYX high voltage lipstick, and this is in the color 5 Flutter Kisses or Flutter Kiss. On top of this beautiful lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline, and this is in the shadow. This is in the shade Charmer, and it's this guy right here. You guys, if you guys have been sleeping on these lip glosses, please don't. Go get them. They're beautiful and they last all day. Like, they last all freaking day. Nude lip on. I forgot to contour my nose. Okay, we're gonna do that now. I'm gonna go in with my Just Up small tapered blending brush and my NYX bronzer in deep bronze, I think it is. Yeah, the matte bronzer in deep tan. We're gonna contour the nose. That mirror is hella dirty. The face again, we already set the face. But if you want to be extra like me, go ahead and set the face again. And yeah, this is it for this tutorial, you guys. This is your back to school look right here. And I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Bye. Top of this, you guys, I'm so sorry if you could hear my husband in the background. He is playing the Xbox. Do you guys hear him? Oh my god, I'm so sorry.